Assalamualaikum and good day. Do you know that the jolly and woody aroma of Eucalyptus globulus is favorite to many and one of the most renowned essential oil? Eucalyptus globulus can be used for many things. They are often used for respiratory infection, sinus infection. It is a decongestant, is great for arthritis and good for cough. One of the active ingredients of analgesic agent in Eucalyptus globulus is 1,8-cyanol or known as eucalyptol. In Malaysia, eucalyptus oil is known as a massage oil to revitalize the skin, tired muscle, relief to minor burns, sore and bite, which the majority are for pain reliever or analgesic. By mixing suitable amount of eucalyptus oil with carrier oil, hands down, it can reduce your pain. But excessive application of eucalyptus can give severe irritation and allergic to your skin. In India, eucalyptus oil is used often in their daily life. Unfortunately, last year a case reported of two adult Indian men having seizure after unintentionally consumed eucalyptus oil due to abdominal pain. It was reported a 6-year-old girl presented with slurred speech, ataxia, and muscle weakness progressing to unconsciousness following the widespread application of a home remedy for urticaria containing eucalyptus oil. Scary, right? Now, the big question, why is this happening? People are not aware with the toxic potential of this oil taken. Even small ingestion can lead to severe symptoms. Eucalyptus oil cannot be used in pure or undiluted solution on your skin or ingest it. This is because consuming more than 3.5 milliliter can lead to harmful effects on brain function, such as slurred speech, and has proven fatal. Digging deeper, I found out that Malaysia is still using Eucalyptus globulus in traditional way, and there is no further improvement of studies has been made. This obviously can lead to dangerous situation. Its permissible limit is often unregulated, however. And that is exactly what I want to do. To have suitable parameters condition in producing essential oil from Eucalyptus globulus that can be promoted as analgesic properties. In this study, the process will have three main parts. First, before extraction of the leaf, second, during extraction, and third, during the investigation of analgesic activity. The storage of leaf after harvested play crucial role to improve the oil yield. Before leaf extraction, optimizing the size of the leaf, whether crushed or cut with knife, really matter. Then, after extraction using steam distillation with different condition of temperature and time used, magical Eucalyptus globulus is successfully obtained. Using the different dosage of essential oil, it will be injected to a group of mice. Through this reaction, we will be able to evaluate possible peripheral effect of the essential oil as analgesic substance. The reading reflex of mice, change in tail immersion latency, licking pulse, and so on will be observed to determine the analgesic activity. This project will assist people in utilize the condition indicator in producing high quality Eucalyptus globulus essential oil as analgesic product in Malaysia. A precise condition of essential oil can produce a low-cost analgesic drug for new treatment for pain, and safer essential oil will be produced that are safe to apply for human. With that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention.